Stored energy. It's the hazard you cannot see. Even when a machine is off, the energy within can still be lethal. Today, we're covering how to identify and control these hidden dangers to ensure everyone goes home safe. The numbers don't lie. Stored energy incidents are a consistent cause of workplace fatalities across all sectors. In 2023 alone, 48 workers were killed in hazardous energy control incidents in the US. These are preventable tragedies. So, what is stored energy? It's energy built up in a system that can release unexpectedly, like a compressed spring or a live capacitor. The core principle is simple. Verify a zero energy state before work begins. Never assume based on procedure alone. There are 6 main types: mechanical, hydraulic, thermal, electrical, gravitational, and chemical process energy. Mechanical energy hides in tensioned belts, while hydraulic pressure can discharge with fatal force if not fully bled. Real-world incidents prove the point. From high-pressure steam releases to thermal eruptions, the pattern is always the same. The energy wasn't recognized, wasn't fully released, or the isolation method was simply inadequate. Why does it keep happening? Failure modes are predictable. Often the risk isn't recognized or equipment isn't fully isolated. Workers also enter the line of fire, the path energy takes during a release. You must stay clear of that path. Zero energy verification is mandatory. It's a separate step from isolation, and it's what stands between you and a fatal release. Confirm voltage absence with calibrated tools and ensure pressure gauges read 0 before opening any bleed valves. There are 8 non-negotiable steps every worker must follow. It starts with planning the job before touching any equipment. Identify all sources, follow correct procedures, and release or block all residual energy. Verify zero energy, wear suitable PPE, and always stay out of the line of fire. And most importantly, stop work and reassess if anything, even the smallest detail, changes during the task. Supervisors and employers must also play their part by providing written procedures, working equipment, and thorough training. Isolation equipment must be maintained to the highest standards. Generic procedures are never enough. The core message is clear. The machine was off, but the energy was not. Identify, isolate, release, and verify. The controls exist, and the procedures are available. It is our collective duty to follow them. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.